SBEV stock analysis price predictions for Thursday. Is Splash Beverage Group stock a buy? I'll be breaking this down this quick and short 1-minute video. Having done well over 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Especially with Splash Beverage. If I zoom out, you will see that this thing just went all over the place since last time I made a video. Pump top of them freaking now is crashing. Now I don't have any bad intentions, like no ill intentions like talking crap or an SBEV. But just Splash Beverage is just a bearish market, man. Like, unless it breaks with like a full candle close above 230 something, there's just no way that I'm looking at this and I'm like, okay, it's bullish. No, like look at this 4-hour chart. Clearly, it's yet to break with a full candle close above that top for me to be bullish to 25. So within regards to that, even if I like now we're here, right? But pre-market is even lower, but if I see a clean double break, then sell side, welcome, right? Like nothing stopping me from selling here as well. But this is not financial advice, and if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.